Hello guys, so today is a very special day. Today we're going to switch our stock SI-EM1 header for a very nice DC Sport header. Stainless steel 100%. I got this used for $80. It was really good price. It's a DC Sports one. It's supposed to be 100% stainless steel. So I paid $80 for that on Marketplace. And as you can see, you can really tell the difference. The pipes are a little bit, bigger than this ones, especially in this area where you can see this is a 4, 2, and 1 header. And I think this is 4, probably 2 and 1. It's probably the same, but you can tell right away the difference, especially in how it looks. This is very rusty already, and it's super heavy, and this one is very light and very strong quality. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the weight, and we're gonna see how much it weighs each one. So I'm gonna take this one first. So here we go. Right now we're gonna weight our stock header. I'm trying not to put any weight on it. I'm just trying to hold it so it doesn't fall on the floor. So let's just move it a little bit. Oops. So there you go. So that's about 24.6 pounds. 24.6 pounds for the exhaust, for the stock header. Now we're gonna weight the other one. There's nothing here. It's the same thing. We're gonna see how much it weighs. Okay, it says 10 pounds. It's not even heavy enough for this thing to measure it. As you can see, it's there, but it's just not heavy enough to measure it. Damn. Let me take this off. Let's see if it works. There's nothing there. The scale works perfectly. We're just gonna put it. No, it's just not heavy enough to measure this up. I'm just gonna put some weight on with my hand. I'm putting some weight with my hand right now. Take it off. Nope. As you can see, it's not even heavy enough for the scale to read it, which sucks. I really wanted to see how much it weighs, but it's super light, and it's very strong. It's it's super light. This one it's damn heavy as hell. It is heavy. So right now I'm just gonna install it. We're gonna see how it looks on the engine bay, and then yeah, we go from there. So I just finished installing the DC Sports header on this V16A2 engine from a 2000 Honda Civic Si, and number one, the looks. It looks way better. You can see how it looks all shiny. It matches with the rest of the valve cover, this bar right there. So for the looks, if you're looking to buy a header, I will say go for it. It looks way better, gives you a better look on your engine bay. Now, to be honest, I will recommend you to use any brand over any eBay header. So I really recommend to go for DC Sports, Megan Racing. You can find they're a little bit more money, but it's worth the price, and I can tell you, I took it for a test drive, and I can feel the difference since I drive this car every day, and normally I shift around 3,500 to 4,000 RPM. Now I used to for a little quick drive, and you can really tell the difference on this, especially if you have, let's say, an intake, and this car doesn't have any catalytic converter, so it's like it has muffler, but it's a straight pipe. It doesn't have catalytic converter, and the header, so you can really feel the punch. I would say I was not even halfway with the throttle, and I was shifting around 45 to 5,000 RPM, and you can really feel the difference after 4,000 RPM when you step a little bit on it. So yeah, you can really tell the difference, that it really gives you a little bit more power. I'm not saying, you know, the website says about 10 horsepower. I don't think that that's the case, but it really helps. It really gives you a noticeable, and you can really feel the car that drives better, that it has a little bit more power. So I really recommend you, if you want to go, if you're thinking about putting headers on your car, you know, go for it, man. I mean, I got mine for $80 used, DC Sports, very decent. You know, these are stainless steel 100%. So I was lucky that I found this on Facebook Marketplace for $80. These headers are, I see them for $390, $400 to even $500. This one right here, stainless steel, and around. So you know, I'm gonna make another video revving up the engine. Another this will be a 5-year, I think 5-year Jonaka exhaust, and I'm gonna see how it sounds with the header now. And so, you know, thanks for watching, and I see you on the next one. And also, I was very lucky that I didn't have any leaks. I don't have any leaks here or here. I'm going to show you. I don't know if you can see it, but that's it right there. That's the end of the header, and you know, the beginning of the exhaust pipe. So I don't have any leaks there. I was very lucky. The guy that sold this header to me, he gave me the sensor, and he also gave me the donut gasket that he had. So that donut gasket, you know, it really helped. So I don't have any leaks. I was very lucky. So, you know, thanks for watching, and I see you on the next one. And this is how it looks with the header. I think it looks beautiful. It looks more aggressive. It gives you a better look.